Is your menu helping you sell your products and your treatments? If so, great. If not, you have got to get your hands on the menu development do's and don'ts. Hi there, I'm Dori Soukup, founder of InSPAration Management, and I'm here to introduce you to a brand new product I just finished doing. The reason I did this, because as I travel around the world, I actually collect menus from everywhere and I look at them. And you know, one thing I find often is that they all look the same. They follow the same structure. They might have little different design elements, but basically the content is all the same. So if you're looking for a unique way to create your menu so it can help you position you and your business as the place to go to, then you definitely need to get your hands on the menu development do's and don'ts. Now here's some of the content I'll be going over with you on this USB. By the way, this is brand new. We no longer do CDs because you asked us not to. So now everything that you need regarding this product you can download from this USB. So you'll be able to get the PowerPoint presentation. You get to see the webinar and hear me walk you through step by step on how to create a great menu for your place. So here's some of the content that I'll go over with you. The first thing we'll do is help you identify the goals that you're trying to reach with your menu. I will discuss menu mistakes to avoid, mistakes that everyone almost does because it seems as an industry everybody copies everybody else. So I want you to be unique and different. Then we'll dive into how to develop an effective menu. So we'll talk about your target market, how the structure of the menu should be and the content that you should have inside it. We'll discuss design elements that you should have, the importance of copywriting and how to actually write your content within the menu, and we'll also talk about pricing strategies and how important your pricing is within the menu. Then once I help you develop the menu, we will discuss what you should do with your menu now that you have it, where should you distribute it to, and then we're gonna wrap up with some menus, do's and don'ts. So if your menu is not quite giving you the results that you need, you should definitely get your copy of the menu development do's and don'ts so you can start doing your new menu so you can attract the right people to your business. Now I know some people are not writers, so should you need help, I actually have a team of designers and writers that will help you come up with great content for your menu, will edit the content, and help you design a great menu for your business. And this menu will help you position yourself as the experts that you are and the unique experiences that you actually deliver. So need some help? Give us a call or go to InSPArationManagement.com and get your copy if you want to do it yourself. So either way, we're here to help you. So go ahead, revamp your menu and make it be the type of menu that's going to attract the right consumers to your spa or medi-spa. Go ahead and get it done. Don't wait, do it now. Until next time, stay inspired.